it's me, Judy Ursa. I'm coming to you live from my kitchen. I have been researching everything about travel vlogs and vlogging in general because I know nothing about photography or videography or cameras or different setups, and I'm hoping, that's my kid, I'm hoping to learn all the tools and tricks to be able to capture my family's travels. So I'm going to start off today with a sequence, something I do every day that's cooked for my family. So I'm going to film myself cooking dinner, and I'm going to try something new. Other than the vlogging, I'm going to try souvlaki. I don't know if I'm saying that correctly. It's Greek food, and I'm actually using a company called Epicure. My friend Candy introduced me to it. It's like food preps and or food prep tools and spices and different stuff. So yeah, let's try this out.